Hi there, welcome again, and today I want to share with you an amazing way to make lemon water even more effective for weight loss and body detoxification. Are you ready? Let's get started. Begin by taking a fresh lemon and squeeze out 1 tablespoon of its juice. Don't toss away the squeezed lemon just yet, we'll be using it too. Now, take the same lemon and chop it into small pieces. Add these lemon pieces to 250 milliliters of water in a pot. To enhance the detoxifying power and aid digestion, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to the pot as well. Cumin seeds have fantastic properties that can soothe various digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, flatulence, and bloating. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This will allow the flavors and beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Once the mixture has cooled down, strain it and collect the infused water. Then, add the tablespoon of lemon juice we squeezed earlier. Give it a good stir, and voila! Your enhanced lemon water is ready to be enjoyed. By incorporating cumin powder and the chopped lemon pieces, we've supercharged the benefits of traditional lemon water. This enhanced recipe will not only boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss but also help cleanse your body of toxins. Well, let me also share with you about the amazing benefits of drinking only lemon water consistently for 30 days. Let's start. Lemon water helps to improve digestion, boost the mood, and even enhance the skin health. And with this enhanced recipe, you will get all the added benefits. Isn't it wonderful? With the power of lemon, cumin, and their combined effects, you are giving your body a real boost. It's a refreshing and nutritious way to start the day. Viewer, incorporating this enhanced lemon water into your daily routine can bring you a step closer to your weight loss and detoxification goals. And remember, don't be afraid to get creative and try different variations of lemon water to keep it interesting. Let me share one more recipe for adding variety to the daily routine of drinking lemon water. Well, when you got tired of plain lemon water, try different variations. Cucumber lemon water is refreshing. It involved thinly slicing half a lemon and a quarter cucumber, adding them to water with ice, and letting it sit in the fridge. Another favorite recipe is warm lemon water with honey, which had additional benefits for detoxification and fat burning. Lemon with mint is an energizing option, and lemon ginger water is great for boosting metabolism and detoxifying the body. There are so many options to explore, find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Start your day with this powerful drink every morning, and I'm excited to hear about the positive effects you experience. That concludes our show on the benefits of lemon water. Remember, a simple drink can make a big difference in your health journey. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes, and until then, stay on the bright side of life. Stay happy, stay healthy. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and press the bell button.